Welcome. Today, I'll show you the easiest way to find your starred emails with images on the Gmail app, whether you're on Android or iPhone. If you've ever needed to quickly locate important emails that have attachments, with the extra step of filtering only for images, this guide has you covered. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Gmail app. It's the familiar envelope icon with a red outline. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want to search for these emails. Once the Gmail app loads, look at the top left corner of your screen for the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. Tap on this icon to expand the sidebar and view more options. From the menu, scroll down and select Starred. This section collects all the emails you've marked as important by starring them. If you haven't starred emails yet, simply go to any message in your inbox, tap the star icon next to it, and it will appear here. Now, with the starred folder open, focus your attention just below the search bar at the top of the screen. You'll see different filter options, including one labeled Attachment. Tap on Attachment. Instantly, Gmail will filter the starred emails to show only those that include attachments. But we want to go a step further and find just those starred emails with attached images. You'll notice an option to select the attachment type. Tap on Images. Now your view is filtered down to only your most important emails, each containing at least one image file as an attachment. That's it. You now have a focused list showing only your starred emails with images, saving you the hassle of scrolling through long inboxes or searching manually. Remember, this method is up to date and works seamlessly on both Android and iPhone devices. Next time you need to find that important photo from a starred conversation, these quick steps will get you there in just seconds. Thanks for watching.